Hello, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. If you've seen my previous videos, they include making these mittens and recently making this hat. I still have some yarn left, so I'm hoping that there's enough here for a cowl. So at least in this video, I'm going to at least show you how to make a foundation, a single crochet foundation chain. So I'm going to start with, and I want to do the linen stitch for the cowl because that is one of my favorite stitches. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, well, we're going to get started on making a cowl. So in this video, I'm going to show you now how to make a foundation chain. Or, I'm sorry, not a foundation chain. A foundation chain is just a bunch of chains. This is a foundation single crochet. So I'm going to like chain 2 to start with. I'm going to do a single crochet. All right, so now we're going to look at our single crochet. We got a loop here and a loop there. If we look at the side of our single crochet, we're going to put our hook in this bottom loop and do a single crochet as normal. Again, if you look at our single crochet, it's kind of hard to see. You have a loop there and a loop there, and we're going to do another single crochet. All right, this is hard to see. Let me go get another yarn that you can see better with. Okay, just to show you better, I picked out a color that could be easier to see on camera. So again, we are going to chain 2. We're just going to do a single crochet in the first chain. There, you can see that better. If you look at our single crochet, you can see a loop here and a loop there. We're going to insert our hook into that loop and do a single crochet as normal. Again, you see our 2 loops. We're going to put our hook into that loop and do a single crochet as normal. Just like that. It says we put not in this loop, but in that loop. We're going to do a single crochet as normal. And we keep doing that. Then we have our foundation, our single crochet foundation row. I guess that will give it a little more stretch and give. All right, we're going to proceed back onto our now cowl project. And because I'm somewhat winging this cowl, I will let you know how many single crochets we're going to do in our foundation single crochet before we proceed on with our cowl. So we're winging this cowl, and I have about 60 chains, but you can go more or less. So you can see that we're doing the foundation single crochet. It's a little more, I guess I want to say relaxed, or it's not as tight doing just regular chains. So all I'm going to do with this cowl is I'm going to go find the beginning. I'm going to join to make a loop. I'm going to find the beginning. I have this little bit here. And so I'm just going to like do a single crochet there. Like I said, we're totally winging this. Now it's going to be very hard to see. So I'm going to try to, I want to do all in back loops around. I think I said I was going to do linen stitch, but we're not going to do the linen stitch. So I'm fine. It might be, I know it's hard to see into this yarn. So again, I will bring out my demonstration yarn, easier to see on camera. So I did a few rows. Again, I was gonna like go over, I might do a join with this chain. And a little hard, and I'm gonna work in these back loops here. Although you might have to kind of twist it a little bit to see them, but that's it. That's all I'm going to do in continuous rounds on this scarf. You just go around and around in back loops only to create this edge. So I will do a few rounds, show you what it looks like. And I'm going to probably do that until I either A, play chicken and run out of this yarn, or I might go about 10 to 13 inches. So this cowl, I think before I joined it was about 24 inches. So I'll probably do this for about 10, I don't know. We'll see how long it makes. And I will show you the end result when I am done with this. Okay, this is the end result of my cowl. Yeah, it measures about 9 inches. Or about 23 centimeters. So I guess for the purpose of the video, as you can see, having the single crochet foundation edge gives us a little more give. So all I did was sew finish off the ends, and to finish off the top, all I did was slip stitch into both loops of the next stitch and finished it off. So now we know that one ball of puzzle yarn will make a pair of mittens. So I hope you got a chance to check out that tutorial. And it made my chunky hat. I also have a tutorial for this hat. And I now have a cowl to go with, and now I have a set. So after all, this tutorial was to show you how to make a single crochet foundation chain. I hope you get a chance to use that new stitch so you don't necessarily have to have chains on the bottom and have a more probably finished edge on the bottom. So if you did like this tutorial, please give it a like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you for watching. Bye now.